The 6th. James Buckwalter pitching, Matthew. And we got Luke over in right field, Eddie in center. First base is Jack. No, first base is Seth. That's right, first base is Seth. Michael, Steven, Jaden, James pitching, Jack over at third.
Good job, James.
Strike one.
Where's Daddy? Get ready, Sox.
He's fixing the tab on the back of his mask.
No, he's looking at this.
We're talking about that, right?
Oh, that?
You're all baseball oriented. We're talking about the silliness going on.
Oh, I don't see the silliness.
Oh, nice stuff.
Get ready, Sox. Get ready. Good job.
Nice, James.
Come on, Dylan, hit it.
Nice job, James. Come on, James.
You're in the mid.
Backing up, Michael. There you go. There you go. Stop it.
The first. They got him.
Good job, Michael.
Nice play, Michael.
Can we back it up and give you an instant replay?
Yeah. Can you do that?
I can do that, actually, yeah.
Check it out.
No, I wouldn't want to do that. I'd mess things up.
I think Steve and Michael second base. Okay, 1 second. It's 4-0. Nice play. Way to hustle. Way to hustle.
That was good, guys.
Good play.
Listen to Damon. Nice, James.
All right, be ready, Matthew.
Open.
That's very cold water.
Very cold. Get some of that on your thigh there. Ooh. Watch it. Oh, bounced off of James D's head. Seth.
Here we go, B-boys.
This is it? Is this it?
Oh, nice.
Here we go. Keep alert, Sox. We got a first base. Ready?
That's it.
Yeah,
There we go. Nice. Nice heat.
Nice.
Excellent.
James.
I was swinging on that one from here.
Yeah.
Everybody for a second. Take a step back. I'd wait for it. Look, take a step back. Back.
We used to call James the junk man, but geez, he's just got a bunch of pitches.
Back. Over.
Come on, James. Back. Ready, Sox?
Where Nikki's up. Strike one.
Good
Here we go, James. Looks like James is having fun now. Did I see a smile? I saw a smile from James. Oh, there you go.
Good catch, Matt.
Oh, got somebody coming.
Okay, okay. Yeah,
There we go. Nice try, Mike. And he's out there. Way to go, guys.
Smile, Matthew.
Nice throw, Matthew.
Smile.
I don't smile.